check it out, another package. If you're like me, I'm always on the go. I'm always going places, car meets, car shows, camping, lots of different things. Hopefully going to DC for the Cherry Blossom Festival. And I like easy convenience, things that don't take up a lot of space. So I want to show you this right here. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. I want to check this chair out. It is freaking awesome. It's different than any of the chairs that I've gotten already. Check it out. Oh yeah. So it's beautiful weather out. Well packaged. Came in another Amazon box, and then this box, and then if I can pull this whole thing tied in a nice bag, portable bag. I travel a lot, go to a lot of car shows, go camping, go hiking, just go traveling. So you have your bag that you can put the chair in, and then just the zips open, pulls out like this. I've never seen video of how to do this, so I'm just winging it. It's just I'm familiar with a lot of these chairs, so you just kind of gotta stretch them out. So basically just pull this whole thing out. Each one of these has like a little push thing in it, so that makes the seat itself like that. Then you got a bottom little strap right here that holds the legs together, just like that. Set it down. Now you got yourself a nice, comfy seat. What's really cool about this one, you can spin around. I don't have to just have it sitting in one spot. I don't have to like sit and move the chair to see behind me. Now, there's another brand out there that I did an unboxing video of. That's CLIQ. Got a set of 2 chairs right here. And yeah, their chairs are about $10 more expensive. They're pretty much the same size, except the locking into place is a little bit harder. And then it's the same thing. They're both made out of really strong metal. So why pay like $10 more for an item that doesn't swivel? So basically this one swivels, this one does not. You can see this one sits a little bit higher. I don't know how well you can see that, but this chair is actually a little bit taller. And then what I like about this one more, not just the swivel part, the legs, there's no like push button to try to like lock them out. They just auto lock out, and you can like tie them together. So it's much easier. It's much easier than that. See that? So what do you think? So this is $10 more, doesn't swivel, same size, both come with bags, same quality. If not, I don't know. Like this one feels more durable when I sit in it. When I sit in this one, like it doesn't, I don't know, I don't feel as stable with it. That was one of my complaints when I bought this chair. I like them both, but I like this. I can just swivel around, it's so great. So like, if you're at a campground or you're at a fire or you're at a car meet, I don't have to sit there and like try to look behind me. I can just swivel around. If someone comes up to try to talk to you, you can move around. You can't do that in this chair. And this one you can. And again, it's cheaper. And it's the same, look, isn't it just as nice? It's so easy and takes up such little space that it will fit right behind the seat of a sports car. And you just Just like that, hidden, out of the way, small. Now I have a chair with me wherever I go. This one swivels. If you're at a car meet and someone's coming up to me, or camping or anything really, and you're sitting in the chair, someone comes up from the side or whatever, I can just turn. I don't have to sit there and like try to lean over or move the chair around. I can just literally like turn and just talk to them. It's great. This doesn't have that ability, and it's like $10. This is $10 more than this chair. There's a link in the video description to buy this chair, because yeah, I love it. When I found out this chair, it just is a game changer for me, because it's the same size, it's very portable, comes with a bag, you can toss it in your car trunk, behind your seat, you can toss it wherever, and it just works perfectly. Comment below what you think, which chair is better. I'm telling you, this Trek chair, the TCEK, yeah, I'm telling you, this is a much better chair, and it's cheaper. That's the thing. Better feature, cheaper price, same size basically. What is there? What are you waiting for? Again, hit that like and subscribe. Check out whatever other videos you have, tons of them to recommend to you. There are tons of videos over here. Now, comment below what you think of the chairs and which one you like better. So far, I like this swivel over this CLIQ chair. It's just whatever. I'll end up giving that away now, because I'm definitely going to use this and buy a couple more after trying this out, because yeah, this is so much better. And it like has a mesh in case you like spill something, it goes right through. I like that.